Hi guys, this is a short demo on Nescafe Dolce Gusto. We bought it recently and 2 months back I think, and we've been using it pretty regularly. Prior to this we actually got the normal coffee machines, and we didn't really like the quality of the cappuccino or macchiato sort of things, so we were looking in or the internet, and then I think we really got very nice reviews on Dolce Gusto, so we got it. We thought we would try it initially, and then we really loved this place. And okay, this is probably the entire Dolce Gusto machine, so you can see probably it's not even as big as my half arm, some sort of thing. And the process is pretty simple. Over here, I mean, we have this on and off. This is the knob for that, and this you can open it up and you would get the pouch of out of it, and then these are the cartridges that you would fill. I mean, basically they have this white one is for the milk, and then there is one black cartridge for the coffee sort of thing. And the good thing about it is we get these cartridges in different flavors. So I really like to take macchiato, so I got the macchiato, and then my wife likes americano, so she has the cafe americano. So the real stuff is, for example, this cafe americano stuff, I mean, it has all the only the coffee stuff, so there is absolutely no milk in this. And then of course, it's quite clear that the latte macchiato has the milk cartridges, which actually is shown on the base. And then okay, the operation is pretty simple, I would say. So I just take this out, and I would like to have the latte macchiato. And then I'll keep the cartridge in this, and then I'll put inside, and we're really pressing it a bit hard. So what this basically is doing is, there is one needle sort of thing that gets pierced onto the cartridge. That is how the coffee comes out of it. And of course, I mean, just to make sure that you can see, I've used this glass. Ideally they gave this bin too. I mean, you could actually keep it over here and then put it on the top of it, but then I never use it because it's messy to kind of clean up. So I would rather prefer to just clean this bottom directly rather than using that. And now the good part is, I'll just keep it later. There is the button out here. We press this button. Initially the red light will be glowing. Once it gets probably enough hot or whatever, it becomes green. It's probably in terms of 5 to 10 seconds is what I've experienced, but I mean, it's quite comfortable. It's not a lot. So something is happening now. Blink, blink, blink. Okay, green. There you go. And now I would okay, for the video sake, and when I push this knob to the right, we will get the coffee out of it, the hot coffee. So you can really see the steam coming out of the coffee out here. And now, so what I'm really trying to do is, because I want the latte macchiato, I want to fill up the coffee, half of it, and then I would use the latte. So I would again open this up, and then I'll take out the cartridge. Okay, yeah, the other thing that I didn't mention is, they gave you a bin where you can put in the cartridge I mean the used ones. Of course, I mean, you know, even though they gave it, I never kind of used it. I just put it directly in the bin. And now again, you know, I start the machine. Now I get the milk out of it. Okay, at this time, I mean, of course, depending on what strength you want, you know, you could have very less coffee and more milk, or you can basically define how the coffee wants to taste. So now you can see, I mean, how nicely it got blended with the coffee and milk. So this is going to be our latte macchiato. And again, you can see that the button has come back to the green. Let me, you know, before I finish up, I will show you a bit more on how the water and everything is. So you can see this blue and red marks over here. So when I turn the knob to the red, it means it's the hot coffee or hot latte macchiato or whatever. And then when I push it to the left, which is the blue mark, that basically gives us the cold, I mean, lattes and whatever. They always actually, I mean, suggest you to put some ice before you start on the ice into the glass before you start onto the cold beverages. And the other thing is, this guy is one small water container over here. You can just, you know, it's very convenient. You can just flip it over here and then you can fill it this way. So that's why it is. We really like this machine, and thanks for your patience and watching this video. Thank you.